Oh, it's been a heck of a week so far. Today, we are putting some replacement lenses on the cab lights. Yes, this morning I was moving some brush and I busted a lens off the cab light. This one's been busted 3 or 4 years. And so I've got new lenses to put on. Well, I had to buy the whole housing, but I can get the lens and everything. It wasn't no more than it was. Let's see, make sure it fits. I think it's an exact fit. Yeah, I picked up new housings this morning and everything. All right. Well, actually, what else brings me here? Other than the fact this has been a crappy week and a crappy spring so far. Yes. Hopefully, by the end of the week, it will be getting warmer. It's been cold all week. Sunday night was pretty rough with snow. Yeah, that wasn't any good. And been 50-ish all week, so hopefully in the forecast for the rest of the week there's the chance of 70s and almost 80-degree weather. But another little rant that I've got is I got to watching on YouTube here the other day, and I saw this user. That's about all he is. I hate to say that. He had posted these videos, how to use a secret account or some crap like that. Now what this guy tried to do is try to use a bad check to buy a $72,000 BMW. And of course it didn't go through. And I nosed around, and there was some other shady stuff that he'd been trying to use a social security card to buy other stuff. And he should know that this is not going to work. And there was some other users that were actually pointing this out, and telling him, you can't do this. And he's lashing out at them and everything. Well, I'm sorry. I hate to say this, but if you weren't so lazy to actually work to earn stuff, instead of working 3 times as hard to avoid working, then you won't have to worry about scamming people like that. You won't have to worry about writing cold checks. But no, this guy had to go out of his way, and of course it didn't get him very far because he's in jail now. For like wire fraud and money laundering. He's racked up some pretty serious federal charges, which means that he's not going to see the light of day for several years. Well, he's brought it on himself. All right. New cab lights are on. Make sure that's tight. They don't have to be like really super tight. That one's loose. And yeah, I wasn't really gonna, it wasn't worth trying to pull the base up, trying to cut wires, trying to splice wires, when the only thing that I needed to do is switch the lenses out. I had a set of OE cab lights. I don't know what I've done with them. I did some trading around a few years ago. Wound up with them. I got so much junk in places that I don't know, I'll never see again. So, well, it's patched up for a while anyway. Yeah, you can see this one here, it's been broke for quite some time. You know, the inner part of the lens is all busted out of it. I rigged up a patch for the top of it. Mangled. And of course, a bad seal. No wonder water was getting in it. Well, alright. I think work here for today is about done. I got another little hole I got to patch up. Water's getting in there. Okay. Easily fixed. Okay, so that's about all for tonight anyway. Hope everyone's week's going good. Like I said, it's bound to actually start warming up here. I mean, here it is, it's almost the middle of April, and it's still, you know, in winter mode. It's getting old. Okay, well, it's about time to call it a day. So, everyone, hope you all had a good one, and hope you all have a good night. And I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.